All right, hey Monica. Wanted to just go over a couple of the Versas with you and show you what you could be looking at when we come in on Saturday. We got a whole bunch of selection. I told you a little bit about them. We'll go over more of that on Saturday, but you're looking at a great new car. Awesome features. It comes with the new safety shield standard on them. So you're gonna get all that lane detection. You're gonna get that park assist. You're gonna have all your sensors for when you're parking and anything. Here's the inside. You got your nice styled seating. It's all kind of meant to kind of give you a good feel in the car while keeping everything affordable. But it's all new, redesigned, and just beautiful car. D-shaped steering wheel, give you that little sporty feel. You got all your technology here, ease of access, the fancy knobs. So it just feels kind of like a premium car. Just because it's a smaller car does not mean you miss out on any of those nice features that you're gonna get with the bigger car. And there's plenty of room if you want to invite your friends for a little road trip.
Hi there, this is Dirk Smith. I'm the credit specialist up here at Dahle. We're the only dealership in the entire country that actually has a credit repair service, and we'll be working with you once you purchase that car from Preston.
It's a great car, perfect for a first-time car buyer, especially with what you're going to be doing.
I think it'll be really exciting for you, and your life is going to change in a big way.